So we're just getting downtown in Detroit. One of my homies, good friends, I consider family. It's his son's 2nd birthday. Shout out to Young Titan, happy birthday, man. And the kids don't know we got Oakley back there sleeping, and we got Mars back there slumped too. They don't even know what we're about to do, so let's go inside. Show you guys some of the scenery down here off the Detroit River. And here it is. So I think there's free parking, I'm positive. So I'm gonna just find where Hashan is parked and head on in. Again, some paint, some Play-Doh, a paint canvas. His dad's an artist, so I figured he'd be following suit. Hey, buddy. Nice ship way out there on the river. What's up? Happy birthday. Hey.
Thank you.
Cool. That's a garden. Bobcat and a coyote. You want to touch it? Here. Oh, you're too short. You gotta grow a little bit. Here. Oh.
What is that?
That's a bobcat.
Oh yeah, you can have a good party in here. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Oak. Say rah, rah. Come on. He over here, I see it. Got to say,
We out here. We just left the outdoor adventure center, man. They got a whole lot of stuff to offer. You feel me? They got waterfalls, they got eagles, they got bears. They ain't got no lions. You know, if they had a couple lions, this would have been top notch. But hey, we had fun though, ain't that right?
So in the back of that, hey, happy birthday, youngster.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, we got his gift in the car.
Thank
so
you.
You want to just give it to him when we get back to town, or? Yeah, cause it's arts and crafts, so you don't want to.
Yeah, that's a bet.
Yeah, he'll be trying to paint the car up and Play-Doh the car up, you know. All right, bro.